So we got through spraying by hand. We're going to clean the hand wand out now. To do that, I would close this hand wand valve on the hand wand itself. I'd walk back to the control panel. I would stroke this to 0. I'd put the pump in reverse, and I'd stroke it back up to about 50 gallons per minute. Then I'd walk back to the hand wand. I take the hand wand, I hold it above my hand, and I open and close about 10 times till I hear air coming in and out of the nozzles on the hand wand. Once I got air sucking into the line, I'll stretch the hose all the way out. I'll open the valve and I'll start walking the hose back to the hand wand reel. At that point, I'll roll this up. I'll put the hand wand back in its place, close the valve.